Hey y'all, welcome to Denman Brush TV. If you want to know how to get this hairstyle, keep on watching. Also, if you like my shirt, Shopchocogirls, their link will be in the description box below. When you order, use promo code JMyRosa to get 15% off.
Don't touch my hair when it's
The combo that I used is the African Pride Black Castor Miracle Growth Protection Formula Prep and Leave-In Moisture Border. This is my first time using it. It's real moisturizing, and I paired it with the Aloe Vera Blue Magic Olive Oil. Y'all know I love Blue Magic, okay? And I use Shining Jam. The first thing that I'm going to do is take this little section out right here, and I'm going to grease my scalp. Okay, y'all, I washed my hair 2 days ago with African Pride shampoo and Aussie Moist conditioner, and I prepped my hair for these mini braids. As you can see, they're in big long braids, and it was the same in the back, so it could just be easier for me to braid and faster. So this one little section is gonna be 2 braids, so I'm gonna part it evenly, grease this little section. So then the first thing that I'm going to do is get the African Pride butter. You want to start at the end.
D-Mark got that heel.
Comb from the end, work your way up to the root. Then you want to get the Blue Magic. You want to comb it in again. Then you want to get the Shining Jam. You want to put the Shining Jam on the root so I can lay down. Part it in 3 sections, and you just want to braid. When I do protective styles like this with these little small braids, I need to leave it in for a long time to get my own time's worth, because it takes a long time to do this. Alright, so now I'm about to time lapse this whole process, because as you saw, first it's the black castor oil prep and leave-in moisture butter, then it's the Blue Magic, then I put this on my root. So yeah.
D-Mark got that heel. D-Mark got that heel.
Y'all, so I just finished braiding my hair and I like it. It took a long time. It probably took like 2 hours, but it's cute or whatever. So now I'm about to get this foaming mousse. It's almost gone. I'm just gonna put it over here so, you know, eliminate all flyaways and all that good stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna get my scarf laid down for about 5 minutes.
D-Mark got that heel.
So let me show y'all the beads I'm gonna use. Alright, so I will be using these clear beads. I was thinking about using these big ones. I think that would look really cute. But the wood inside, it has little specks, and I don't want it to like snag on my hair, so you gotta go the other route. So I'm gonna be using the clear ones. I wish they was kind of bigger, but they aren't, so yeah. And the rubber bands I will be using are these clear jumbo ones. They're kind of thicker than the black ones, which I like. So I feel like it wouldn't snag my hair a lot. So yeah. I'm gonna put about 3 beads on each braid. I also have this little jar. I'm gonna put this peppermint oil in there. I'm gonna lay a couple of rubber bands in there to coat them with oil. You put the beads down below the little oval. You put your hair between the oval like this. Then just pull it through, push the beads up, and boom. Then I, bend it.
D-Mark got that heat.
Take one of these oily rubber bands and wrap it around like that. Alright, so I'm gonna just do that around all sections. Okay, so I just put the beads on. And it looks good to me, okay? Now I'm about to do my edges, so I'm gonna put my hair back. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to Denman Brush TV, and I will see you in my next video.
D-Mark got that heat.